shocked the Russia and China, US, secretly designing 6th-generation fighter. It is a no-brainer that the US, which produced the world's first two 5th-generation fighters, the Lockheed Martin F-22 and F-35, should be first off the blocks with a 6th-generation combat jet. However, nothing is known about the prototype or its first flight except that it has happened. The plane's appearance and size, which company developed and whether it was manned or not, are details that remain undisclosed. It is safe to assume that the platform emerged from one of the three leading aerospace majors, Northrop Grumman, Lockheed Martin or Boeing. Both Northrop Grumman and Lockheed Martin have already worked on God fighter projects, and earlier images reveal a strong stealth emphasis with virtually no vertical structures. Lockheed's older pictures show a perfectly flat, blended wing body with no protruding fins. This could tie up adversaries such as Russia and China in vain attempts to keep pace with US technological advances and perhaps even throw them off balance. The US is already way ahead of other nations when it comes to many advanced technologies that go into 6th-generation fighters, like variable cycle engines, laser weaponry, manned-unmanned teaming and AI. In December 2020, the US Air Force tested an AI agent named Artem-U that controlled and directed radar on a manned reconnaissance plane while carrying out tactical navigation. China and Russia. China, which became only the second nation to operationalize a 5th-generation fighter, the Chengdu J-20, is reportedly working on a new stealth jet with 6th-generation capabilities such as commanding drone swarms, as well as hypersonic and laser weaponry. It is expected to be operational by 2035. Russia's 5th-generation Sukhoi Su-57 was declared operational only in December 2020, becoming the 4th aircraft type in the world to attain this status. Its potentially 6th-generation stealth interceptor, the Mikoyan MiG-41, is expected to take to the skies by 2025. Europe completely missed out on building 5th-generation fighters, but is trying to make up for lost time by determinedly pursuing the 6th-generation platform. France and Germany launched the FCAS program in July 2017 and Spain joined in 2019. Its main components will be the NGF, a 6th-generation fighter, as well as remote carrier vehicles, swarming drones, and cruise missiles. The NGF's key capabilities will include improved stealth, enhanced situational awareness through an advanced avionics and sensor suite and manned-unmanned teaming. It will have greater maneuverability, speed and range, thanks to its powerful engines and advanced flight control system.